Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial, and on this tutorial we're going to be looking at the proper way to close a license form in Visual Basic.net. Firstly, let's look at the conventional way. The conventional way is to do this, that if license key is correct, form 2 or whichever is your startup form should show, while the license form should hide. In our case, our license form is form 1, while the startup page, if the license key is correct, is form 2. So we are saying form 2 should show, while form 1 should hide. So let's see how it goes. So we're going to run the application and wait for the application to come up. Now our application is up and this is our license page. So what we have to do is to enter a valid license in order to activate this application. So we're going to be doing that by entering a valid license key. So the valid license key will be HJGT96349197. So let's hit the activate button. Our license key was correct. As you can see, it has taken us to our startup page. That is to show that the license key was correct. So we're going to be closing this application and rerun the application to see the error we're trying to correct. So let's rerun the application. As you can see, we've run our application, but there is a slight challenge. Our license page is still coming up, though we've entered the correct license key. This license page is still coming up, so that is what we want to correct. How do we stop this page from popping up once a license is correct? So now to solve this, we're going to be using two methods. The first method is we're going to be using a code me.opacity equals 0. Me.opacity equal 0. That's the first method you can make use of. So me.opacity equal 0. So let's run the application and see what this is going to do. So we're going to run the application. Now, though the activation page is not showing up, but you can still see it's down there. The only thing we have done with me.opacity equals 0 is to make it invisible. So we're going to be doing this the right way. So let's end the application and do it the right way. That's the second method. So I'm going to be commenting out me.opacity equal to 0 in form1.vb. Then we're going to go to our startup form, that is form 2. I'll click on it. Then this is the magic. I'm going to be commenting this code that is going to make it possible. This is the right code to use, and I'll be leaving this code below. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to uncomment this code. It is private sub opening handles MyBase.Shown form1.close and sub. So this is a code that will ensure that our license form is not visible. So let's run the application and you're going to see that form 1 is not going to pop up anymore. So here we go. Form 1 has been closed properly. it's not appearing anywhere. So, and I would be leaving the code in the description below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do well to like our page on Facebook and share this video. If you're watching on YouTube, then do well to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell in order for you to get a notification when we upload new videos. Thank you very much.